fact, we have a reaction coming in. The BJP calling the incident highly condemnable. The BJP has spoken about the incident, calling it highly condemnable. This is after boy's sacred thread was allegedly not just cut off, but the boy also being attacked and also being threatened against wearing his sacred thread in the future. So the BJP has now said that the incident is condemnable and has hit out at the DMK government. So Dharani, take us through the reactions that are coming in. The BJP, of course, also calling out the Chief Minister, saying it's the duty and responsibility of the Chief Minister to ensure justice in the case.
Well, we just spoke to BJP's State Vice President, Mr. Narayan Tirupati. He has told that the Dravidar Kalagam, DMK and other Dravidian organizations, he is alleging that they are against Hindus and against Brahmins especially. So they use the term 3% population to refer to Brahmins. So their natural mindset itself is that they're anti-Hindus and they're anti-Brahmins is what the BJP is alleging. And they are telling that it is not surprising that these kind of incidents are happening under the DMK's rule in Tamil Nadu, and they are demanding the Chief Minister to intervene in this case as soon as
asking
possible.
The Chief Minister to intervene. Several reactions coming in from the BJP. Stay with us. Let's go across to Sagrika for that.
And the Bharatiya Janata Party, in the long post, the Tamil Nadu BJP has in fact come out and criticized. This is Narayan Tirupati of the Tamil Nadu BJP. I'm going to read an excerpt of what he said. This is a translated version of his tweet. He says, so far political parties have not come forward to condemn Durai Murugan's speech or the criticism of the Brahmin community by a few politicians or political activists in Tamil Nadu's TV debates because there are a few Brahmin voters, or the idea that Brahmins do not vote caste-wise. The reason for this is that no other caste or caste can be criticized by Tamil Nadu, and they dare not react if they criticize the Brahmins. So he said this after earlier by saying every religion has a sign, a symbol, a belief and a ritual. It is illegal to speak or act in ways that undermine those beliefs. The Punul cutting in Tirunelveli was a result of Minister Durai Murugan speaking about the Brahmin community at DMK's festival recently. DMK may be the ruling party. For that, it is unbecoming of a good government to allow a society to speak or behave in a bad way. So what happened in Tirunelveli with the 12-year-old child, the BJP is blaming the rhetoric that ministers of the DMK go ahead and put out in public, and they say that this is an anti-Brahmin rhetoric because of which this kind of hate has been perpetrated.